Pastor, good afternoon, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir. How is everything now?
Fine,
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. I don't even know you are here.
I'm here, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Put the paracetamol and blood tonic. That's what you had.
Yes, sir, Pastor. Pastor, I thought you wanted to collect,
No, it's paracetamol.
Okay, paracetamol. Doctor. No, Allah.
Is it the paracetamol?
Doctor, please give me my own personal store. What did I call it? It's my own condom. I need 3, please. I want to go with it.
It's okay.
Fast.
It's okay.
Okay, now, but too much.
Yes, sir, Pastor.
You are buying this thing.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it's paracetamol?
Pastor, you're feeling headache.
Let me fuck up.
Okay, see you at the church, yeah?